Click the file icon or select File Utility from the button template to open the utility. Under Scan Type, make sure ADF, Duplex, is selected, then enable Merge Pages. When the Page Settings window appears, check the Flip Page Rotation method. Keep it set to Book if you want the second page to stay in the same direction as the first. For merging orientation, let's try Vertical first. Under Scan Mode, Color is selected for this example. Click Apply to save the settings to the File Utility button. Double-click the file icon or press the corresponding scanner button to start scanning. Your vertically merged pages are ready. Open the file to view the result. Now, let's switch the page orientation to horizontal. Click Apply, then start scanning. Your horizontally merged pages are ready. Open the file to view the result.